Here we're asked to find what is the probability that if 9 capitalized letters are typed, that no letters are repeated. So remember, when you're finding a probability, so the probability, let me change this to red, that 9 capital letters have no repeats is going to be equal to the total number of ways to have 9 non-repeated letters. Let's clean that up just a little bit. Letters. And let's make our fraction bar a little bigger. Divided by the total number of ways, to have just 9 letters in the alphabet. Okay, let me make this a little smaller so we can see this. All right, let's do the denominator first. So the total number of ways to list any 9 letters is this. We have 26 choices for the first letter. And this is the total. There's no restriction on the next letter. So we still have 26 choices for the second letter. And we have 26 choices for the third letter. So if I were to list out all of my 9 letters here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, each one of those has all 26 letters of the alphabet that are possible. In other words, 26 to the 9th power. Okay, now the numerator. The total number of ways that we could list 9 letters with no repeats would be this. So here's our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters. And in the first letter, we can choose anything we want. However, in the second letter, we've already chosen one in the first spot, and while we might not know what that is, we can't choose it in the second spot because it has no repeat. So only 25 choices for the second spot. In the third spot, 24 choices, because again, we picked the 2 prior to it, and so on. In the fourth spot, 23 choices, 22 choices, 21, 20, 19, and 18. Every time we put a letter in a position, we cannot choose that letter or any of the ones that come before it. So here is our new probability. Our probability, let's make this a little better notation. Our probability to have 9 letters with no repeats is going to be 26 times 25 times 24 times 23, all the way down to 18. So not quite a factorial because it doesn't go all the way down. And then divide that by 26 to the 9th power. And when we do that, bear with me because I don't have this up on my calculator yet. We plug that into our calculators. Let's see. We've got 26 times 25, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18. Let me double check I entered that in right. Nope. Little mistake there. Divided by 26 to the 9th. When I plug that in, I got 0.2088 It says give your answer to 4 decimal places. So I got 2, 8, and so on. So